Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mwaba Sambo from the Ghana Armed Forces Fire Service. I'm here to orientate you how to fight gas fire. This is bee fire. I just want to show you how best you can fight gas cylinder in case there is some fire outbreak in your house. It's so simple. You need to be bold to do it. I need to bring some matches, and then I open the cylinder, and then I light it, and then there is fire. This thing should happen in your house. The first thing that you have to do is to be courageous. Never use water. For example, have a look at it. Never use water. Not even a bucket of water or a bartender can off this. But you need to be bold. Dry your hand. Let your hand be dry. Let it be dry. Be bold. Just use your thumb finger. Go in front of the fire and just put a stop to it. And then you are gone. I'll go in for a second demonstration. I open the valve and then I on it. Like I said, this is where you close. There is a fire. You just use your thumb, any of your finger, just straight on it, and then it's gone. Then another one, of course. Let's say you are not bold enough to use your hand. The best way to do is to use your finger to stop it. But if you are not bold enough to do it, there is a second way. Have a look at it. Okay? Now, this is a wet cloth. A wet cloth. A very wet one. The best way is to use your hand, but if you cannot use your hand and maybe you are scared, you can just use this. So just look at it. And then it's off. Thank you very much. My name is Sergeant Mwaba from the Ghana Armed Forces. See you the next update. Bye.